Hi. With MRPeasy Enterprise Edition, it is possible to track changes to your bills of materials and routings. If a change has been made to a BOM or routing, MRPeasy automatically creates a new version and archives the previous version. In the Versions section of BOM or routing, you can see the whole history of changes, when a specific version was saved, who created it, download its PDF, and, if necessary, set a previous version as the current active version. The revision control system can be enabled at section Settings, System Settings, Enterprise Functions. In this video, we described how to track changes to your bills of materials and routings. To learn more about MRPeasy, please see our other videos. Thanks for watching.